Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by choosing one clear goal: audience growth, sales, or community. Once decided, map 3 content pillars that support it and gather 5-10 starter assets. Open Instagram, switch to a creator or business account, and connect analytics tools. This lets you measure progress. Then create a simple weekly plan: days, formats, and times, so you can post consistently. Make sure to draft 3 caption templates now. They save time and keep your voice consistent. You now move into production and optimization. Batch create multiple videos and photos so you always have content ready. This reduces stress and raises quality. Once a video is made, optimize the first 3 seconds with a bold hook, add captions, and choose vertical 9/16 for reels. Make sure to write a concise caption with one clear call to action, add 5-10 targeted hashtags, and pick a location tag. These small choices increase You finish by launching and then iterating, post, monitor, and adjust. After you publish, check analytics within 24-72 hours for reach, saves, shares, and follower lift, then compare against your weekly goal. Once done, make small changes. Swap the thumbnail, change the opening hook, or test a new hashtag set, and run another cycle. If growth stalls, focus on improving the first 3 seconds and the caption call to action. These deliver the fastest wins.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.